Welcome back to my channel.
Today we got guest. She's my guest and I'm her guest.
No, she's my guest.
So you are each other's guest.
Okay.
Alright, we can
So
start
we
again.
are going to be.
So let's start again. So I need the greeting to be, you guys need to say it together properly. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So I have a special guest and it is Zina.
And Lily. So she's my guest and...
Okay, so we are going to be making a volcano.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be white because I do not have food coloring. Too bad. So all you need is baking powder or baking soda and some vinegar and a measuring cup and your, yeah. So just
So you know what? I'm doing the measuring cup. So
you're gonna do the vinegar.
okay.
Then I need the right amount. Okay, so I'm going to be I'm opening this now.
I'm gonna open the vinegar.
So guys, how do you open this thing?
I know how to open the vinegar because
No, I mean, yeah, it's easy to open the vinegar. But this thing is not really new. My dad actually bought it like a few months ago, I guess.
Oh.
So we haven't opened it. So now I'm opening it.
That's good.
Vinegar stinks. So strong. Oh, I need a scissor. Guys, I'm going to get a scissor. I really need a scissor.
So Zina, can you tell us a little bit about your experiment?
Yeah. So you first get a volcano. Hello. And you get this, and then you get that, and then you get that.
Okay. So what's going to happen?
You will see until we're finished.
Oh, okay.
So, on your photo on TV, you'll see.
Whoever that is, please stop. Alright. Now it's time to have a vinegar. So I'm gonna put in the measuring cup also.
And I'm going to pour it into there. So this is going to be a nice experiment. I'm going to pour it.
Okay, pour it quickly. Then we have to quickly cover it. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Explode! Hi, explode!
Oh,
okay, guys.
so cool.
It is actually exploding.
So
It's just
I'm
that
ready
it
to do that
explodes.
again. I'm ready to do that again.
It just exploded like it was little. So you guys couldn't.
I'm putting that inside, then you can put the vinegar
No,
inside.
I'm not gonna add
No,
vinegar.
I'm gonna add.
Because then like I needed to literally explode. Explode, dude. Okay. I'm just gonna mix with this scissor. I don't know what it looks like now. I have nothing to do. Look at the scissor.
She's doing bad at, she's bad. Like, she couldn't even, I'm not bad.
Okay. It's kind of exploding, kind of. Okay. Just go up and press me, please. Up. Like literally, I just wanted to make it explode.
Okay,
right
this
here.
time
Right
it's my
here, it'll be
choice.
fine.
This time it's my
No,
choice.
the vinegar is like it's like. It's not gonna really make it work.
Okay guys, so let's talk about what we did right and what we did
Wrong.
No, I still want to do it now. I still want to do it.
So you guys did it again and
No.
it didn't work. That's why I first want you
No,
guys.
I want to do it.
Okay, guys. So the vinegar.
So you guys are gonna do it again. But I need to first know what you guys think you did wrong and what you guys think you did right.
I definitely know.
And then only you will do the experiment.
I did something right. She did something wrong.
No, we both did.
Hold on. And each of you will get an opportunity to talk about the wrongs and rights. Zina, we'll start with you. What do you think you guys did wrong?
I think that the thing that she did, it didn't explode all the way up. That was wrong. So I think that was wrong.
Okay.
And that she's mixing it.
And what do you think you guys did right, Zina?
I think at first when she didn't mix it, it was right. But now she's being wrong.
Guys,
And then Emma,
I
do you think you did
that we were actually supposed to use a baking soda, but then this is baking powder, and
It's like
it's like I think that's why. And then what I think is right is because of the vinegar. No, don't take it out. Yeah, the vinegar is right.
Take it out.
Wait, no, I want to show them. Guys, look at this. Look how it turned. We have snow now. Let's turn this into snow.
Yeah, I love snow.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe this. I didn't actually expect this to happen.
But
Now
this,
I am expecting it to happen.
I am expecting it so much.
Emma, what do you think you did right?
The vinegar.
And
like the
I think that
vinegar
we
is
did something right. Both of us. Hey, you took the...
No, I didn't take all of it.
Let's build a snowman.
How?
First
It's
I'm
not gonna really dissolve.
No, I'm making a snowman.
I think build a snowman.
Yeah. I think...
No more experiments. Snowman only.
But yeah, my one...
It's not really working actually.
Just follow me.
The way it smells, I can't even imagine. Okay, there's still someone here.
Okay, I made a circle for the face. So I'm putting it on here. For the face.
Oh, this feels so good.
Now I'm just making the tongue stuff. So
I
it
have
will be
fake
bigger.
snow right here.
Bigger. So big.
Zina, smell those things. Just smell it.
For real, I almost got sick for real.
Huh?
I didn't bake it.
I spilled it on the table. It's not on purpose, guys. It's actually real. I actually did spill it. Oh, this is good.
Joby, go say hi to Emma on the vlog. Go say hi. Go to Emma.
I'm gonna add a little more.
Emma, call her.
Dummy! Come, look! Oh, this is fun.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Come, Dummy.
Carry her so you can see her.
Okay, come.
Wow.
Joby, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Stand. Stand up. Stand. Here you go.
No.
Ah! Child.
Okay.
Oh, this is so fun, guys. I wish you could feel this. But actually, you can try it.
Close it.
No, don't be. Can I have the leg?
For what? Oh. Gonna make more? Okay. What's not
Wait.
fish? Just no man, but I'm sure
Yeah, it's not really dissolving. I don't know why.
But for me, it's the.
I think I should add a little more vinegar. I
Yeah.
think so, guys.
More vinegar will be good. So let's get it out of there and then put it in here. Let me just put this
Okay, no. We can't add vinegar. She's literally spilling everything. Don't be this. No. This is our snow. Come on, girl.
out, not yours.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is what I said. This is our snow. Come on, girl.
Girl.
Okay, I'm gonna try to put some here in the measuring cup. Oh, my baby sister made everything not turn out good.
Yeah,
Not to turn out good.
Can I just have more vinegar, please? Vinegar is there, yes.
Yeah, I know. My mom.
Okay, guys, are we ready to say bye?
No,
This
please
is
can,
literally
but
too
please can we make more? Please can we
All right. So this is what I'll agree to, right? You guys will have to first make your research on how to make the science experiment.
I
And
want to put
But we just made snow and it's a science experiment. Snow.
if I am convinced,
Look,
you will do it again.
snow. Look at this thing. Snow. Literally. This is literally snow.
And I want vinegar to make it more soft and nice.
Say bye, guys.
Mommy, can we just add a little bit more vinegar?
An incy-wincy
Thanks.
Thank you. I'm gonna mix it with the.
Hey, wait. Put everything here so that we can just combine them. So that I can add the vinegar properly. Then just do this. That'll be fine.
So I'm just gonna keep on. So I'm gonna mix.
Okay.
No,
don't spread it. Don't be. Still coming out. Hey! Okay, please go. Please go, Tumbi. Just please go. Go and play with your toys now.
Hi.
Okay, I added too much, guys.
Mama.
Okay, this should be it. You don't want. Okay.
I'm mixing it with my hands. That's what I want.
I also want to mix it. Let's play with it.
But you
There's so much. No, I'm not gonna mix it too much. You are. No. I also want to mix because we're literally playing with this thing while we mix it.
You're taking mold.
Moose? You said moose.
Mold. I said mold.
Yeah, guys, it's literally. It's not Play-Doh, it's not slime. No. Is it even stretchy? And it's not oobleck.
How do you know what oobleck is?
I watched it on Emily's Wonderland. If you guys know that channel, it's so nice.
I know that channel.
Yeah. Like when you hold it, it just like literally turns liquidy. And then when you keep playing with it, like you're giving it energy, then it turns like something like this, you know? Not liquidy anymore.
This is real snow.
No, it's not real. It's not even cold, and this isn't.
It's cold for me.
It's not.
My piece is cold.
And it's supposed to be icy, and it could have melted.
Well, it's not melting.
It could have melted if it was actually real snow. You know?
Just
All right,
like-
guys, say bye.
Bye. We'll see you until we're finished.
Yeah. Thank you guys for the amazing video.
Thank you guys for watching Snow. I wanna ask you guys, when are you getting me to 10,000 subscribers?
First, ask them to subscribe to your channel
Yes.
and like the video.
And like the video, please, guys.
Please subscribe to our channel, and my dad must even subscribe. He loves my channels.
Oh, that's cute.
You don't even have a YouTube video yet.
Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.